me hold that one. Whoa, it's hard. Yeah? What? Okay, let it go. Whoa! Okay, let go for a second. Let me back it up. Back up. Good. You push that again. Okay, that's good. That's good. Woo! Look at all that. We did that together, Harrison. Look how deep it is.
Wow!
Yeah. Whoa! You alright? You gonna sit in it? Uh-huh. We're gonna put this in the snow and see how deep it is.
Okay.
Okay? Wow, that's 15 inches of snow right there. That's deep. Let's do it over here. This may be a little deeper right here. Oh, that's 17 inches of snow.
Yeah, I can't feel my arms.
Yeah, you can't feel your arms? Look at up here, Harrison. This is crazy. Look above you. This is hanging over. Ah! Ah! Look at that. It's hanging over.
Wow. I can't.
Like it's gonna fall. Should I hit it and see what happens?
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
We got it now.
We're gonna hit it and see what happens.
Yeah.
Oh, it's frozen. Oh.
Wow.
Whoa, yeah, you don't want to be under it. So it's frozen right there. Wow. Oh, you all right?
Yeah.
Woo.
B-A-Y.